When your little one can't breathe, every second counts, and that's where the Frida Baby Electric NoseFrida Pro steps in. This hospital-grade nasal aspirator gives you powerful, customizable suction with 5 levels to clear even the toughest baby congestion. It comes with 2 soft silicone tips for newborns and toddlers, and it's completely cordless, so you can use it anywhere, anytime. Plus, it includes a travel case to keep everything clean and ready to go. Fast relief, gentle comfort, and zero fuss. That's the NoseFrida Pro. Let's break down everything that comes with the Frida Baby Electric NoseFrida Pro and why each piece matters when your baby is congested and miserable. This isn't just a nose sucker, it's a complete congestion relief system designed to make breathing easier for babies and life easier for parents. First, you get the electric NoseFrida Pro unit itself. This is the heart of the system. It's cordless, lightweight, and designed to fit comfortably in your hand so you can use it quickly and gently, even with a squirmy baby. Inside, it has a hospital-grade suction power with 5 adjustable levels, giving you full control depending on how stuffed up your little one is. The motor is quiet, the suction is smooth, and the whole device is built to be simple and stress-free. Next, it includes 2 interchangeable silicone tips. One is designed for newborns with tiny nostrils, and the other is made for older babies and toddlers. Both tips are soft, flexible, and gentle on sensitive noses. They're shaped to create a comfortable seal without poking or irritating your child, and they're easy to swap out depending on who you're using it on. Attached to the front is the collection cup, which catches everything you suction out. It twists off easily for cleaning, and the smooth interior makes rinsing quick and hygienic. No complicated parts, no tiny crevices, just a simple design that keeps everything contained and easy to wash. The NoseFrida Pro is fully cordless, which means you're not tied to an outlet or dealing with tangled cords while trying to help your baby. It charges quickly and holds enough power for multiple uses, making it perfect for nighttime congestion, travel, or on-the-go relief. You also get a hard protective case that keeps the device, tips, and accessories clean and organized. This is especially helpful for diaper bags, travel, or simply keeping everything together in one place at home. It protects the tips from dust and keeps the device ready whenever you need it. When you put all the pieces together, the powerful suction, the 2 soft tips, the easy clean design, and the cordless convenience with the protective case, you get a nasal aspirator that's built for real-life parenting. It's fast, it's gentle, and it gives your baby instant relief without the frustration of a manual suction or bulky machines. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of the electric NoseFrida Pro, the 3 buttons that control the entire device. These buttons are simple, intuitive, and designed so you can operate the aspirator with one hand while holding your baby with the other. Here's exactly what each one does and how to use them. The power button. The first button is the power button located right in the center. This is the button you'll use to turn the device on. One quick press powers it up and you'll hear the motor. It's designed to start at the lowest suction level. Press it again to turn the device off when you're done. It's designed to be responsive and easy to reach, so even if you're dealing with a wiggly baby or a middle of the night congestion emergency, you can activate it instantly. Now let's talk about the suction level up button. Next, you have the suction level up button, usually marked with a plus sign. This button lets you increase the suction strength. The NoseFrida Pro has 5 suction levels, so you can start low and work your way up depending on how congested your baby is. A quick tap bumps the suction up 1 level at a time. This gives you full control. Gentle for newborns, stronger for toddlers, and adjustable for those stubborn boogies that just won't budge. Now, lastly, let's talk about the suction level down button. This button is marked with the minus sign, and it lowers the suction level if you need to ease up. Maybe your baby is sensitive, maybe you're switching from one nostril to the other, or maybe you just want a lighter pull. This button lets you adjust instantly. Together, the plus and minus buttons make it easy to fine-tune the suction without stopping the device or interrupting the process. So why do these buttons matter? These three buttons work together to give you complete control. You can turn the device on, you can adjust the suction up or down, and you can turn it off, all with your thumb. No complicated menus, no fussing or confusing settings, and no need to stop what you're doing. This simple layout is what makes the NoseFrida Pro so parent-friendly. It's fast, it's intuitive, and it lets you focus on helping your baby breathe easier instead of fumbling with controls. Now let's take a closer look at two of the most important parts of the electric NoseFrida Pro, the hose and the silicone tip. These pieces work together to create a gentle, effective suction system that clears your baby's nose quickly and comfortably. The hose is the long, flexible tube that connects the suction tip to the main device. It's designed to be soft, lightweight, and easy to maneuver so you can position it exactly where you need it without disturbing your baby. Because it's flexible, you can hold your baby in your arms, in a bouncer, or even on your lap, and the hose will bend and move with you. It gives you the freedom to adjust the angles, switch nostrils, and stay comfortable while still getting a strong, steady suction. The hose also acts as a protective barrier, keeping everything you suction out contained in the collection cup. Nothing travels back up the hose, and nothing reaches the motor. It's a clean, hygienic design that keeps the device working smoothly and makes cleanup simple. At the end of the hose is a soft silicone tip, and this is the part that actually goes to your baby's nostril. The NoseFrida Pro comes with two different tips, one for newborns and one for toddlers, but both are made from the same gentle, flexible silicone. The tip is shaped to create a comfortable seal around the nostril without poking or irritating your baby's nose. It doesn't go inside the nostril, it simply rests at the opening. This makes the process safer, gentler, and much more comfortable for little ones who are already fussy from congestion. The silicone material is smooth, easy to clean, and designed to hold its shape even with repeated use. It attaches securely to the hose, so you never have to worry about it popping off during suction. So that's the full breakdown of the Frida Baby Electric NoseFrida Pro. From the powerful suction levels to the soft silicone tips to the flexible hose and easy clean design. Every part of this device is built with one goal in mind: helping your baby breathe easier, faster, and more comfortably. The cordless design makes it simple to use anywhere. The buttons give you total control, and the interchangeable tips make it safe for both newborns and toddlers. Whether you're dealing with everyday stuffiness, seasonal congestion, or those middle-of-the-night wake-ups, this tool gives you a quick, gentle, and effective way to clear your little one's nose without the struggle. And of course, this is not a substitution for an emergency medical situation. This is simply designed for simple congestion at home. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. Bye for now, everyone.